I don't want him, Mommy. I'm gonna hide from it over here. He's hiding under the...
Stuart!
Side of it.
It's a guitar!
He doesn't like it at all. Look at him.
Who's afraid?
Why is he so scared of it? Oh my god, oh my god! It's blocking my exit! I had to run for it. It's gonna chase me.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Because like I said, it moved
Come here.
and it made noise. Like
Come here.
back.
It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay.
Look at it.
It's okay. It's not going to do anything.
Daddy, I hate it. Get rid of it. Look at the... Look at it. Oh my god.
Come here.
I'm terrified.
Come here. It's okay.
This is hilarious. He's hiding under the table from his car.
It's okay.
No, I don't want it. I'll hide over here. Maybe you can't see me.
It's okay. It's okay.
So it's not chasing.
It's okay. It's just a guitar.
It's not chasing.
It's okay.
It's sitting there, dog. I hate this, Mommy. Do something.
That's just in my life.
The book is. Where did it come from?
Curse.
You don't know what it is.
Stu. It's okay. It's okay. Stuart. Stop. Stop.
He's like all backed up against the wall. He's like gonna come in.
Stu. Come here.
Where's my stick? Still,
Come here.
Okay.
It's okay.
You're not helping me.
Well, it's not helping, and you can hear it reverberating
Yeah,
everywhere.
but he hears it reviving. He thinks it's moving, like making noise. That's why he doesn't like it. It's like the vacuum. He hates the vacuum. He does the same thing. You know? It moves and it makes noise. He don't like it at all. It is so fun. I can't believe how hilarious it is.
Come here.
Dude, okay. Alright. Put that away. Camera away. Just pet him. He's no problem. Make the camera go. See if you could just pet him. Why does it have a communist symbol?
It's not a communist symbol. It's an Epiphone. It's Epiphone type of guitar.
Oh, okay. He like does not like want it around. He hates it. He's knocking all your shit down.
Hey!